friends and viewers. It's Thursday. I'm sat in the car, about to get out of the car and go to work. Just thought I'd do a little intro whilst I'm here. So, friends and viewers, thanks for subscribing. If you've subscribed, we've gone from 350 subs up to 700 subs in about 2 weeks. It's good, it's a good sign. Thanks for subscribing, guys. You won't regret it. We've got some more haircuts coming up, more self haircuts. I've got to be honest with you, I did a self haircut the other week, the top, and I completely messed it up. So I decided to not post it because it wasn't very good as a video. So yeah, I'm going to be doing some better ones soon. What else? Today's video is a haircut that I did on Smullen. It's using a completely new method actually. I think I'm going to use this method a lot more because it seems a lot more structured, and you can really, it minimises the risk of messing up, I think, this method. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a quick one, just to sort of keep the beaks wet, keep the subscribers interested. We've got some really good ones coming up soon. Guys, I think I've really lifted my haircutting game recently and I've gotten a lot better. And I'm going to be doing some real nice self haircuts soon. And if you've got any other video ideas for me, put them in the comments because I'm watching. Right guys, see you in a bit. let me know what you think. Have a little.
Yeah, I like it.